I have a challenge for you, or a question, or both. How can you build a open and honest relationship with communication with your Italian tax guy, with your Italian tax consultant, and with Italian review agency? I believe that openness and honesty make for the best relationships because that leads to trust and faith. It works both ways. Here at Studio Rigo, we value strong relationships in all areas with managers, direct reports, customers, internal and external, vendors, business partners, team members, and co-workers. And yes, also with the Italian review agency. Strong, positive relationships that are open and honest are a big part of what makes our office, Studio Rigo, different from most of the other tax advisors out there or accounting companies. Strong relationships allow us to accomplish much more than we would be able to do otherwise. I would say that a key ingredient is in a strong relationship is to develop emotional connection. We're human beings, remember. We have goals, fears, concerns, and beliefs. In general, we're vulnerable. It's important to always act with professional and personal integrity in our relationships, to be compassionate, friendly, loyal, and make sure that we do the right thing and treat our relationship well, 100% honest with ourselves. I have no doubt that the hardest thing to do in business and in life in general, of course, is to build trust. And if the trust exists, you can accomplish so much more. But the main question is, how can you trust someone that you met online? Trust is being able to keep your word, being there when the client needs you, being able to understand his concerns and follow his logic, even if, sometimes, not always, doesn't match the business or the financial logic. Your guts don't understand numbers all the time. They just shake you up when something bad is happening or seems to happen, right? In any kind of work relationship, it's important to be a good listener as well as a good communicator. It works both ways too. And open, honest communication is the best foundation. But remember that at the end of the day, it's not what you say or what you do in life and business, but how you make people feel that matters the most. And this is the lesson that I learned from you. From all of you connecting with us, from all of you clients doing this years. So I have to thank you for that. In order for someone to feel good about a relationship, they must know that the other person truly cares about them, both personally and professionally. Even if this means you might recommend some different solutions for their problems, like other professionals or other specialists in the similar matter. Here at Studio Rigo, we embrace diversity in thoughts, opinions, and backgrounds. And this is why we love to work with expats. The more widespread and diverse our relationships are, the bigger the positive impact we can make on the company and on our clients. And the more valuable we will be able to be with clients. It's critical relationship building to have effective, open, and honest communication. It's not easy to talk about money, engagement, budget, problems, payment terms, deliverables, and any objections we may receive and we may hear from the clients or from the prospects. And by the way, all those are legitimate topics. As our studio is growing, communication becomes more and more important because everyone needs to understand how our team connects to the big picture of what you're trying to accomplish. You could be moving to Italy, planning your Italian life, whatsoever. Communication is one of the weakest spots in any organization, no matter how good the communication is. We would love everyone to always try to go the extra mile in encouraging through complex and effective communication. This is our goal. Just ask yourself, okay? This is the game to play. How much do people enjoy working with us? How can you improve those relationships? What new relationship can we build throughout the Studio Rigo beyond just co-workers that work with us on a daily basis? How can we wow the people that we have a relationship with? How can we make our relationship more open and honest? How can we do a better job for you communicating with everyone? See, it's not about becoming the most profitable tax firm ever in Italy or the best tax firm for expats in general. We are just committed to learn from you how to get better at what we do. Do you have any suggestions?